Clever Fox Travel Planner is an all-encompassing, easy-to-use tool for detailed travel planning and journaling. It will help you prepare for each trip, ensure everything is taken care of, and preserve all memorable moments along the way. The hardcover is made of premium quality soft-touch vegan leather and features a pen loop, an elastic closure, a ribbon bookmark, thick 120 GSM paper, and an expandable pocket at the back. This planner comes with 2 sheets of colorful stickers and a detailed user guide with step-by-step instructions. It has a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. This travel planner is divided into 5 sections to plan 5 trips in total, and a travel bucket list to record any countries, cities, places you want to visit, and experiences you want to try. Begin planning each journey by outlining your route on a dedicated map and marking all stops and destinations, travel dates, time differences, and expected climates and temperatures at each destination. Then, record important dates, times, and events using a spacious calendar spread. This way, you will easily remember everything and avoid unnecessary stress while traveling. You can use the dot grid space for extra notes or customize however you like. Use the research page to jot down any places you want to visit, things you want to do, food you want to try, and everything else that comes to mind. Then, create a detailed travel budget. Record vital emergency contacts and phrases in a local language. Make a packing list and a checklist with all the things you need to do 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day before your travel. Finally, use the transportation and accommodation pages to plan and manage your transport, hotels, and rentals along the way. Now you have a detailed travel itinerary and all the information you need to start your journey. Each trip includes 6 pages for journaling, to write down your favorite moments and travel memories while traveling. You can also use the dedicated expense tracker to track and summarize your day-to-day spending. When the trip comes to an end, add your favorite photos to the memorable moments spread and fill out a trip review to reflect on the whole journey. These pages will help you preserve your travel memories so you can come back to them whenever you want. At the end of each section, you will also find 2 empty dot grid pages where you can record notes, ideas, and anything else that comes to mind. To help you prepare for your travels and avoid unnecessary risk and stress, we've also added safety tips, packing list ideas, translations for commonly used phrases, metric conversions, and more. We hope this travel planner will help you plan some of the most unforgettable journeys of your life and travel comfortably and safely wherever the destination. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.